If you like simple, delicious, and hearty, Howard's got just the recipe for you. It's a traditional cottage pie that you can have on the table in just 30 minutes. And the best part is your family will love it. We're making an easy, cheesy cottage pie today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
One of the requests we get from so many of you is for easy casseroles that are budget friendly. Well, we've been listening. That's why today we're whipping up an old-fashioned cottage pie that's cozy and satisfying. The first thing we do is saute some chopped onions in butter until they start to brown. Then we cook some lean ground beef in the same pan as the onions, seasoning it with some salt and pepper, breaking it up as it cooks. Once the meat is browned, we add in a jar of beef gravy and let that simmer. This gets spooned into a casserole dish and we top it with some mashed potatoes that we mix with a bit of shredded cheddar. As for the potatoes, these can be homemade, leftover, or even easier, the refrigerated kind that we find in our dairy aisle. Now we'll pop it in the oven for about 15 minutes. And when the top is golden and the filling is piping hot, it's done. I know you're thinking, how could something so easy look so good? This is the kind of meal you want to have ready when the weather gets a bit cooler and you start craving something warm and comforting. To get the recipe for what we call our easy cheesy cottage pie, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a supermarket shortcut way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, koamnewsnow.com. Now, here's a look at 4 state market prices.